Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials and today we came up to see an interesting concept that is SBS. It stands for side by side audits. You will never find a video related to it on YouTube or even on Google, guys. Reason so it is the concept which is actually used by the call center or BPO companies, guys. Uh, we will see this in detail today, and before that I would like everyone to please share, subscribe the channel, and also click on bell icon, guys, and also click on subscribe so that you guys can get a notification on all my upcoming videos. So let's start today's topic, that is side by side audits, which is SBS. Basically, side by side audits actually used by trainers, QAs, and team leads. Reason to identify either there is any issues with the associate with regards to any of the concern. So we will understand this concept with the help of example. Okay, so we have an associate John who actually every time gets same error on long hold, and the QA is doing the audits, the trainer is doing the audits for the newly hired associate to check why he is taking the long hold. So once the associate had taken the call, and after that if the auditor do the audit, he will never identify the base reason of that particular long hold. Maybe he will identify an assumption that processor or else associate is checking the details, due to that he kept that call on hold, or maybe he was not aware with the process, but he will not able to identify the actual reason. At that particular situation, SBS comes in picture. Basically the trainer or QA do the SBS only when the associate is doing same error again and again post having multiple feedbacks. So that is the reason the QA trainer will think that let me sit beside to the associate and do the live audits. Now doing the live audits while sitting near to the associate is known as side by side audits. I hope you guys got the clear understanding on it. Now, SBS will help in removing the basic repeated issues done by the associate mistakenly. It is not only related to the long hold, it is also related to multiple situations. We will discuss one by one in my upcoming slide that what can be a situation that occurred, due to that we required a side by side audits, and that can be solved real time. Now, the next point here is minimum 3 to 5 audits can be performed for the single associate. So basically a QA trainer will be sitting near to the associate. So that is very much clear that at a time a QA trainer can do the audits for one associate only. So it is not, there is no any certain procedure or SOP set for it. But yes, you can do minimum 3 to 5 audits for the associate so that you can understand where is the actual issue for the associate. It can be done by trainer, QA, and TL, as I already informed you guys. Now SBS, for the SBS, the trainer or QA can use the same format that is used by the quality team for doing the audits. So every process have their audit form. So this is very much easy to understand that you can use the same format also while doing the SBS audits, because you need to judge the same parameters while looking to the call at real time. Side by side audit help associate in solving the real time concerns and mistake. So you can solve the issues of the associate real time while sitting near to him or her, and you can also check the mistake and avoid the issues which will be occurring because of those mistake or those wrong steps followed by the associate. So you can solve those particular concern real time. Real time feedback will be given to the associate by the auditor. Once done with that particular single call, the QA trainer will give the feedback. They will never poke in between the call to the associate. Reason, it will like demotivate or else uh, discredit the associate while having that particular call. So always share the feedback post done with the single call. Then again associate will take the next call, you will do the audits, and post done with that call, you will share the feedback that what mistake he had done on that particular call. So this is all about the side by side audit, guys. Let's see what is the advantage of side by side audits. The first is help in identifying the real time issue of the associate. There is an associate, he is getting repeated error on same parameter. So to identify that particular reason, we will do the real time audits and we will get to know that why the associate is doing the same mistake. It will help us in finding why associate is taking long hold in each call. You may see multiple associate, they used to take long hold. Some associate take the long hold reason they don't know the exact process that to be followed. Okay, they even don't know how to check the guide which is available with their particular process. Either it is in a PDF format or else in the tool itself. Okay, they don't know how to navigate that particular guide. Even they don't know how to follow the step and to provide the resolution. So that is also a concern. But if you don't do the side by side audits and if you're only going with the audits that are done after the call has been done for the associate, you will never identify the reason. Yes, you will able to give the feedback that you have done this particular mistake, but what was the actual reason, you will not able to identify that. Help us to identify the speed of the associate. This is the main concern that actually team leads need to do here. Reason, if your associate is not maintaining this certain SLA, like in 1 hour he need to take approx 20 calls or 30 calls, but he is not able to maintain that, I would suggest that team lead need to do the side by side audits so that you will be able to find the speed of the associate where he is actually lacking. Real time coaching, as I already told you, real time feedback we will be giving to the associate. Wrong practice issues will be sorted. For an example, associate is not following the proper guidelines, or associate is not navigating the tool very clearly, or else he is facing issues with certain tabs. He don't know how to proceed the request. He don't know how to check the details. That will also get sorted. We will understand that yes, associate is facing these issues here with the help of side by side audits. Following accurate process or not, do the associate have knowledge gap or not, that we will identify here. And there may be certain general issues like typing speed, communication skills, following the guidebook. These are the certain issues which you will get the solution while doing the side by side audits. I hope this is very much useful, and you will try this activity with your associate. uh, Before or after doing this particular audit, I would again suggest all the trainers, team lead and QA, if you're sitting near to the associate, don't pitch in between the call. If you done the mistake, let it be. Give the feedback by the end of the call. And if associate is asking you any doubt friendly while having the call, yes, support him. And don't get angry on the associate on the mistake which he is doing over the call. Okay, let him finish the call, then share your feedback, but with a polite manner. Okay, don't interrupt him over the call. So this is only the suggestion I would suggest while having the side by side audits. Do these particular audits with 5 to 6 associates who are giving repeated dent on the same parameters, or else there is any issues with the associate. Share that report with your manager, and definitely there will be a great appreciation will be given to you, and also there will be an improvement in the associate side as well. So that is all about the SBS, guys. Please check out the playlist. You will find more videos regarding to the trainers, team leads, quality, Excel sheet, then dashboards, reports, and also the people management questions. Please like us on a Facebook, then Instagram and LinkedIn page. You will get a notification about the videos and also related to the job vacancies. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.